Video is in collaboration with Lalifit, and they are a brand on Amazon that sells blankets. So they sell bohemian blankets, they sell throw blankets for home decor, which is the white knitted blanket here that I am opening, and they sell a flannel fleece luxury bed blanket, which is the kid blanket, the one for my son, which I will open later. So we have so many beautiful color options, from a new yellow to a blue wave to green and gray. They have so many beautiful ones, and they did also send me a gorgeous Christmas blanket, which I'm a blanket lover, so this was just such a fun collaboration for me to be part of. So you guys are going to see me style these 3 different blankets in my home. So this corn gray colored knitted blanket I am going to be putting in my bedroom on our bed, and I absolutely love it. I was looking for a decorative throw blanket for my bed, so this was literally the perfect one. It just adds so much to my room. And then I'm pretty much just going to continue picking up, but you guys will see me style the other 2 blankets later on in the video.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard.
So now you guys are going to see me open up my son's new blanket that he got from Lalifit. And this blanket is so beautiful. They have so many different kinds for the kids blankets, from unicorn to sports themed ones, atmosphere themed ones. So they had one with like spaceships and stuff on it, and then I picked this one that has stars on it. And not only is this blanket super soft, but it also glows in the dark, which adds such a fun touch to it, and it just... So now you guys are going to see me open and style this final blanket. So this is their Christmas blanket, and I was so excited when I saw the picture for this, you guys. I have been kind of looking for literally this exact blanket. I'm not kidding, one at least very similar to it. And this blanket was just everything I wanted and more. I am not kidding, like I'm so obsessed with it, and I'm sure a lot of you are too, because it's so beautiful. So if you guys are interested in any of these 3 blankets, I will have them linked down below for you. And if you guys do use...
Make that move, all the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story, wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come on.
In the next one.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know